How to change timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. First, select your clips, right-click on them. Click on this, and a window will open. In this window, you can adjust various timeline settings. Click on the check icon to see more options. Next, go to the second option, called Format. This is where you can change the timeline resolution. For example, I'm setting the resolution to Full HD. If you want to use a vertical timeline, click on this. And for more options, check this settings. I'm not changing anything else for now. See, color space is set to Rec 709. You can change this if needed. Once you've selected your resolution, create the timeline. You will see the new timeline appear. Another way to change the timeline resolution. Right-click directly on the timeline and select Timeline Settings. You'll see the same options as before, and you can adjust the resolution again if necessary. Click OK when done. And also click on this subscribe button. One more way to change the resolution. Click on here. And in Master Settings you can adjust the timeline resolution and other settings as needed. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save. Vertical videos are everywhere, whether it's Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. This video will help to learn how to edit vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve. Check out other tutorial on creating videos for like this.